Get paid to watch videos? You bet. Imagine turning your favorite pastime into a money-making opportunity. Let's face it, folks. We all spend way too much time glued to our screens, right? Hours and hours just fly by. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or whatever the latest craze is, those videos are downright addicting. We just can't get enough. But what if I told you there's a way to turn that screen time into some cold, hard cash? Yes, you heard that right. Yeah, you heard me right. No, it's not a scam. This is a legitimate way to earn money. You really can get paid to watch videos. It's a simple concept, but it works. It might sound too good to be true, but it's a real thing, and it's a pretty sweet deal. Imagine getting paid for something you love doing. Think about it. You're already watching, so why not get rewarded for it? It's a win-win situation. Now, I'm not talking about quitting your day job and becoming a full-time video watcher, although wouldn't that be nice? It's more of a fun side gig, but as a side hustle, this is about as easy as it gets. No special skills required. We're talking about a simple, flexible way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Perfect for those idle moments. So if you're ready to start getting paid for something you're already doing, stick with me. This could be a game changer for you. I'm going to break it all down for you step by step. Stay tuned, and let's get started on this exciting journey together. Alright, so you're probably wondering, where do I sign up for this magical money-making opportunity? Well, hold your horses, because there are a few different ways to go about it. First up, we've got websites that are specifically designed for this kind of thing. These platforms work with advertisers who want to get their content in front of more eyeballs. And guess what? They're willing to pay you to be those eyeballs. Some popular options include Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and MyPoints. These sites offer a variety of ways to earn rewards, including watching videos. You won't get rich quick, but hey, every little bit helps, right? Then there are apps like Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel and Viewpoints that pay you for simply having their app installed and using your devices as you normally would. It's passive income, baby! Now let's talk about how to actually get started. Don't worry, it's a piece of cake. Most of these platforms make it super easy to sign up. Usually all you need is an email address and a password. Once you're all signed up, take some time to browse through the available videos and see what strikes your fancy. You might find everything from product reviews to movie trailers to funny cat videos, because who doesn't love those? The best part? You get to choose what you watch. No more suffering through boring commercials. Just pick something that interests you, sit back, relax, and let the earnings roll in. Okay, so you're signed up and ready to start watching. Now let's talk strategy, because if you're going to do this, you might as well maximize your earning potential, right? Let's dive into some effective tips. Here are a few tips to keep in mind to ensure you're getting the most out of your time. One of the best things about this side hustle is that you can do it while you're doing other things. Multitasking is key. Fold laundry, cook dinner, or even clean the house, or just scroll through social media while you're watching videos and earning those sweet, sweet rewards. It's all about making the most of your time. Most of these platforms have referral programs that allow you to earn even more by inviting your friends to join. It's a win-win situation. Just share your unique referral link with your friends and family, and if they sign up using your link, you'll both benefit. You'll both get a bonus. Cha-ching! It's an easy way to boost your earnings. Many of these platforms offer bonuses for completing certain tasks, which can significantly increase your earnings, like watching a certain number of videos or completing a series of tasks, or reaching a specific earnings goal. These bonuses can add up quickly. Keep an eye out for these opportunities to boost your earnings even further. They can make a big difference. Now, I'm not gonna lie, you're not gonna get rich quick doing this. It's a gradual process. It takes time to build up your earnings. So patience is essential. So don't get discouraged if you're not seeing huge numbers right away. Just keep at it, stay consistent, and eventually those small amounts will start to add up. Every little bit counts, and over time you'll see the results. Section 5. Avoiding the pitfalls. Don't get sidetracked. Like any good thing, there are a few things to watch out for when it comes to making money watching videos online. Unfortunately, there are some shady websites out there that promise big bucks for watching videos but never deliver. Stick to reputable platforms like the ones I mentioned earlier, and you'll be good to go. It's easy to get sucked into watching videos for hours on end, especially if you're enjoying yourself. But remember, time is money. Set a timer for yourself to avoid wasting too much time and not earning as much as you could be. As I mentioned before, you're not going to get rich quick doing this. It's important to go into it with realistic expectations and understand that it's a slow and steady way to earn some extra cash, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Section 6. More than just pocket change. The real value of this side hustle. Now, I know what you're thinking. Mike, this all sounds great, but is it really worth my time? Is it worth the effort to sit and watch videos for a few extra bucks? And that's a fair question. It's natural to wonder if the time spent is justified by the returns. The truth is, the amount of money you can make watching videos online isn't going to make you a millionaire. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. But that doesn't mean it's not worth doing. Every dollar earned is a step towards financial freedom. Think about it this way, every little bit helps, right? Small amounts can add up over time. That extra $50 or $100 a month could go towards something you've been wanting but haven't been able to justify spending money on. It could be a small luxury or a necessity. Maybe it's a nice dinner out, a chance to enjoy a meal you wouldn't normally splurge on, or a new pair of shoes. Something that makes you feel good and confident, or even just a little something to treat yourself. A small indulgence can go a long way in boosting your mood. But beyond the money, there's something else to be said for finding ways to earn passive income. It's about more than just the cash. It's about taking control of your finances and finding creative ways to make your money work for you, even when you're not actively working. It's about building a mindset of financial independence, and that, my friends, is a valuable skill to have. It's a step towards a more secure and empowered financial future. Section 7. Work from anywhere. The beauty of a flexible side hustle. One of the best things about this side hustle is that it's incredibly flexible. You can do it from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. Imagine this. You're sitting on a beach in Bali, sipping a cold drink, and earning money just by watching videos. Sounds pretty good, right? But even if you're not jet-setting around the world, this flexibility can be a game changer. Maybe you're a stay-at-home parent looking for a way to earn some extra cash while the kids are napping. Or maybe you're a student who needs a little something to help make ends meet. Whatever your situation, this side hustle can fit into your life, no matter how busy you are. Section 8. It's all about perspective. Every dollar counts. Now, I know some folks might scoff at the idea of making money watching videos. They might say it's not a real job or that it's not worth the effort. But here's the thing, money is money, no matter how you earn it. And let's be honest, there are a lot worse ways to spend your time than watching videos and getting paid for it. You could be working a dead-end job that you hate, or you could be sitting on the couch, scrolling through social media for hours on end without having anything to show for it. So, the next time you're feeling down about your finances or you're looking for a way to make some extra cash, remember this. Even small amounts of money add up over time, and who knows, maybe this little side hustle could be the start of something bigger. Section 9. Ready to start earning? Dive in. So there you have it, folks. Making money watching videos online might not be the most glamorous job in the world, but it's an easy, flexible, and accessible way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. And hey, you never know what opportunities might come your way once you start exploring the world of online side hustles. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for one of these platforms, grab your favorite snacks, and get ready to start earning money while you watch.